All right, guys, welcome back to Liazon Marketing. Today we're going to speak about how we are going to get keywords from Helium 10 extension. That's our next course. So let's jump into Helium 10. So you want to make sure that you're downloading an extension over here. Now, there's a couple of things we're going to do here. One is we're going to do through an X-ray, and the other one, basically these two, they work very much alike. So let's download the report over here. I've already downloaded this information. So let me open up that page and tell you how we can get keywords from here. Now, this technique is amazing. And if you use it wisely, then you can really make a lot of money in this business, man. So let's see where we are. Helium 10 X-ray right here. Okay, so we're gonna expand. Now, we're going to talk. So when you download an X-ray report, we're gonna have major of our discussion will be with this report. So we all know, most of you probably know, that in the title, we are always targeting high relevant keywords. That's like almost every seller I know does this. Now, if you are new for your first launch, or you're probably thinking about re-enhancing your listing, whatever you're doing, I would suggest you to go for this direction, because through this report, you can even evaluate who's standing where at what BSR ranking, and then we get a lot of information on the revenue and the sales and everything else. So first we go and we copy this, we copy the entire listings, all of them, all of the titles. Then we come into Helium, and we go into Frankenstein. Excuse me. So when we come into Frankenstein, we are going to download, we're going to copy all those paste, I mean, all those keyword phrases here. We're going to do one word per line. We're going to do a frequency count. Now, you can do mention phrases, but if you do mention phrases, you end up getting all of them. I'll just show you what it looks like. So you see, you get all of the information there. Well, it's a good way of evaluating. If you are bad in copywriting, you can probably take, some of the information here. But I like to take it the other way around. I like to use my own words in my own way, and then do this. And after we have received this information, we can even remove common words because we don't need that. Right now, we're just doing research for what we are looking for. Now, through here, you can do the frequency. That means the highest number of keywords that being used through all of those title that we're doing, and then we can come here. Okay, so basically we know the higher number of frequency count that we are seeing here, these are the most highest relevant keywords that we are using. Okay, so this is another way of doing the keywords, and we will move to the next chapter, which is how to locate keywords from SEO analytics. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll be back shortly. Thank you.